And welcome to Friday. Here we are with another great workout for you today. We got a awesome warm-up here, okay? So let's get into it. It's a 4-minute workout, warm-up, 5 and 5 single arm bent over row, so bending over and rowing to your chest. So you're gonna do 5 left, 5 right. Feel free to play around with the weight for this one. Into 5 and 5 single arm Arnold press. So an Arnold press is when you start with your palm facing you, you press up, you rotate it so your palm is facing away from you, okay? Now, if you have some rotator cuff issues or shoulder issues, feel free to turn this into a different style of press, maybe a hammer press where your thumb is facing you, or just a regular shoulder press where your palms are facing away from you, okay? Now, into 25-foot high knees and butt kickers. Now, if you're doing the Zoom class, this most likely will just be a 30-second butt kicks and high knees, okay? We're gonna keep rotating through this until 4 minutes is up. Now we may end up in the middle of a round here, who knows, but that's okay. We'll get through it. Let's check out, see what our workout is today. And here we are with our workout. We have a wonderful 12-minute workout here. We're gonna try and do as many rounds as possible in 12 minutes. 10 bent over rows, okay, dumbbell, barbell, or backpack, or kettlebell. If you only have, say, one kettlebell, you could do 5 left, 5 right. As written here, this is 2 hands doing the movement, okay? Into 10 backpack, shoulder to overhead. Again, dumbbell, barbell, any implement you have. Get it to the shoulders, press overhead, push press, or snatch. No snatch, sorry, jerk. So no snatching here, just clean and press, push press, or jerk, okay? Into 50-foot shuttle run, okay? Now a shuttle run is really a small place, so it's not 50 feet. You could have it as 25 feet out, 25 feet back. You could have it as, say, 10 feet, where you're doing that sprint to 10 foot away, come back, and do that 5 times, okay? So it's just an accumulation of 50 feet, okay? But that distance can be any interval that you want it to be today, okay? Even if it's just 5 feet, you're doing like really quick 5-foot shuttles, that's gonna get your heart rate up pretty fast, okay? But I suggest maybe making this a 25-foot distance where you're going out, touching something, and coming back. Okay, this could be the ground, a line in the dirt, a cone, anything. Okay, so 25 feet out, 25 feet back. Okay, score is rounds plus reps in the 12 minutes. All right, we got some extra work today, so let's get into that. All right, here we are with our extra work today. After the workout, double workout. Okay, we have 3 sets of 10 and 10 Romanian deadlifts. Okay, so these are written like this. This means that there's single arm Romanian deadlifts. Okay, so coming down with one arm, doing 10 on the left, doing 10 on the right. Okay, 20 arm haulers. This is like swimming on the ground, touching your thighs and bringing your arms over your head. 60 bodyweight Russian twist. So no weight for these Russian twists. You're just really going to turn and touch the ground, okay? And then rest as needed between sets. So go through 1 set, take a short break, go through 2, go through 3, okay? After this, there's nothing left, so stay tuned for movement demos.